Pihu! Pihu, where are you?
I'm here.
Okay, come. Oh my god. Whose jacket is this?
Oh, sorry, Daddy. This is my mom's jacket.
Oh my
She
god.
goes somewhere with this jacket. When she was late, I just wore her jacket.
Yeah, it's so oversized. Okay, just open
Big
it.
for me.
Yeah, it's too big for you.
Jacket.
Yeah, you just open the jacket, then I'll give you your own jacket, and I have a surprise for you.
I love surprises.
You wanna see what is that?
Yeah.
Okay, now give me the jacket. Thank you.
Give me my own jacket.
This is your jacket.
Thank you, Daddy.
And never wear mama's jacket. It's too big for you, okay?
Okay.
Now I got something for you.
Yes. Tell me.
One, close your eyes. 1, 2, and see, what is that?
Oh my God! Thank you so much, Daddy. You are the best dad in the world.
Okay, come, hug me.
Oh.
Now show me what is that.
It's my own new Play-Doh.
Yeah, now show me. What is that?
There's a clay, and there's 12 of them, and it's a party pack, and the Play-Dohs are those cartons were made out of 300 grams. And turn around, you can make some amazing designs with that.
Hey, what is that? Oh, show me.
Okay. Daddy, how am I going to open it?
Go get some knife. Or you can open it like that one.
No.
That's it. Now you can pull it out. You can pull it out. Show me how to play with that.
I can learn.
Okay. Done?
I'm not done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Give
Take
me
the
the
plastic.
biscuit. Yes. So what is that? Oh my god. It comes out like this?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
How many are
Play
there?
with me like cats and a string.
1, 2, 3,
You
4,
don't
5,
understand the pain it brings.
6,
You don't ever wanna give me wings.
7.
You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm
Let's
addicted to
do
you.
the
Ain't
last.
this that you can give to, but
12.
you never do. Got me
Okay.
coming back for more, even when I
Look at
12
this.
Play-Doh.
And there's so many holes that you can keep all those Play-Dohs like this.
issues in my
Okay.
head. I like you in my
So
bed,
they
like
can
to keep
see
you
it.
on red. Oh, everything is like a
Now show me.
test. I better
What you can
not
do with
text
that?
or I'll come
I
up
can just
desperate.
play with it.
Can I help you?
Sure, you can have
Oh my god. It's too tight.
That's it. That's you, Play-Doh cat. I'm going to bite you.
No, don't eat that. Be polite, Beta. Be polite. Open it very softly. Yeah, it came out. See?
So if I play dead, will you regret
my own new red Play-Doh.
that you said?
So what you are going to do with
You
this?
understand what you're doing, and my heart's
I have to take all the Play-Doh.
Okay, and then what you will do with that?
I'm going to play with it.
You think that this
Like you will make some shapes?
I do have even some cookie colors.
Okay, just take out cookie colors.
Sorry, the conclusion.
I don't have anything at home. I'm not having a
I wish you loved me like I love you. It's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid.
Oh my god! Holy cow! That clay is
I
blue!
wish when I first saw you,
Come on, get out.
When I'm with you, I
Come
feel
on,
so
get
used.
out
I
of
feel
there,
diluted.
Clay.
My heart's been wounded.
Get out of there, please! Please, I'm requesting you! Why don't you listen to me? You just betrayed me! Please, Clay, please! You will promise you will get out of there, please! Please, please forgive me!
You don't ever wanna give me
This
wings.
is our second
You
clay.
don't ever wanna set me free.
How do you like this pink one, Daddy? I opened up all the 4 colors. Pink can be for the ghost. Pink add also to the purple. Good. Some blue for the boys. And the red for the boys too. Nice. Oh, this is small clay. So, which one do I have to make when I'm seeing this one? I'm going to make a small little plant. Plants to do, and I'll draw its plant pot. I have to check in the list. Oh, I also need some yellow too to make some flower petals, and some leaves for the green, and a pot for the red color. So let's start. Let's make a flower. First, you need a pink clay.
Rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it
how are we
takes.
going to
Made
do
lots of
this?
mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks,
You'll
feeling
just
lost,
need to,
feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. Always
like that?
here to play, and I've got something
Like
to
that?
say. Yeah, I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't
You
push
can also
pause,
use
no, I
a
push
roller.
play.
You can also
won't
use the
stop till I
roller
make a
pin or
change.
something.
I withdraw
Like you
on
can
the
press
things
with
I
your
make.
hands.
I turn flaws into flawless
That's
traits.
done.
I build tall, never capped in space.
Now, take
Won't
this
stop
stage
till I
out.
hear him say.
Sorry guys, it's my mistake to ruin the table of some clay. You're going to flood this thing and have to put your mom and my daddy for something. Daddy,
Yeah.
can you help me?
6 a.m.
What do you wanna
and
make?
I'm up
I want
again.
to make a flower.
That's right.
Oh,
In
okay, let's
the AM,
start.
that's my only
A
friend
flower
in the
pot.
light.
Oh.
Just the
And
sun
the
coming
flower is
up on the
like that,
horizon.
modeling
I
clay,
lose track of
but you
time.
just
Yeah,
need to
move
roll
fast
this
and
thing
climb. A new
till it's
path
going
to
to
find.
be a
Yeah, true passion
circle.
shines, and I'm through past the
Done.
time. I choose stacking
Now just
dimes.
pat
Choose
it that,
half the
then
time while I
that
move
will be the
past
same
vibe.
shape.
I work hard each
And
every
so,
day.
make some two slanting lines that you can put some petals into
Push
this.
pause, no, I push play.
You're gonna add some more.
Stop till I make a change.
A little here,
I
here,
withdraw
like
on the
this.
things I make. I turn
And
flaws
so
into
the
flawless
blue
traits.
thing.
I build tall,
And the
never
red thing.
capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
Guys, so you just need to make a petal. Daddy has made the first petal. It kind of looks like a penguin now. And so you just need to press it gently like this. Don't do any mistakes with the clay. You just need to take all the petals like this and you just need to press it gently. Done! Now they're kind of looking like some petals. I just didn't pluck them. They're just only real flowers. Of course I can. First, you'll just need to make like a rainbow flower. Okay, keep going till you don't stop it. There. But it kind of looks like a star. But it needs something right there. I'm going to take the orange. See, how does my petal look like? But first we're starting with the orange. You just need to press it gently. You just have to press it. Guys, first you just need to put a circle like this. Onto the center. So, flower can have some seeds, like sunflower having some seeds. So you just need a pencil and you just have to poke some holes like this. Okay, a lot of holes. It's kind of looking like a sunflower. Guys, does it look like a flower Play-Doh like something? you have to make a slanting line so that the petals will look good on this.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of
Beautiful
mistakes,
flower.
taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stop, never
This
change.
flower looks
Squad
good
hit a play, and
or
I've got
that
some things
flower
to
look
say,
good?
yeah.
Tell me.
I work hard each and every
That's
day.
right. My flower looks more beautiful than that.
No, I push play.
So let's make another one. Let's make a gun.
I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build
Guys,
tall, never
now we
cap
just
space.
already took a picture of that flower. Now the next one we're going to draw a gun. So we have to start with the face. First, it's kind of like a face. You'll just need to take out all the holes and you just have to fold it in like this. Now this is her skirt, a beautiful pink skirt, and that's her t-shirt, and that's her hand gloves, and that's her yellow blonde hair, and that's her boots. So let's put her on. First, let's put her with the t-shirt
I work hard each and every day.
and the
Get
skirt.
lost in the words I say. I don't
And
push pause,
so
no, I
guys,
push
let's
play.
put her
I won't stop
a
till I
t-shirt.
make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
Done. Now I need some hand gloves. Then let's put some boots. And so let's work out with hair. This is her blonde hair.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping
This
off,
is a
singing
girl
straight,
who's
never
having
stop,
the
never
yellow
change.
hair,
Squad here to play, and I've
her
got some
orange
things to say,
face,
yeah.
and her two-hand purple gloves and a red t-shirt and a purple skirt down, pink skirt down, sorry, and blue boots. They're looking good on this. She looks dashing and ravishing on her. Pretty too. I wish I could be one of pretty like her. Yeah, I can also be pretty like her. You know, guys, I'm looking prettier than a girl. I look like having blonde hair. I'm only having black hair. Those hair is looking too short for her. Let's make a longer hair. We need to stretch out the play
6 a.m.
and
and
make
I'm
a
up
white
again.
top line.
Tired eyes,
Done.
need a cup of blend. That's
This
right.
is the one
In the
strand of
end,
the
that's my
long
only
hair.
friend.
Now
No
you
light,
want it in
just
the
the
other
sun
side.
coming up on
The
the
strand is
horizon. I
long
lose
and
track
long.
of time. Yeah, I move
More
fast and climb.
longer,
I
longer,
move
longer.
past divine. Yeah,
And you
true
make a
passion
one
shines.
curve
I move
right
past
there.
in time. I choose second dimes. You snooze half
Now
the time while
curl
I
up.
move past and
But
by.
you're not done
I
yet.
work hard each
You'll
and
just
every
need to
day.
add some
Get lost in the
style.
words I say. I don't push
You're
pause, no, I
looking
push
ravishing
play.
and dashing on
I
her.
won't stop
Let's
till I
wear
make
put
a
on her.
change.
She looks very
On the
bold.
things I make.
So let's put her back.
Turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
That's the girl. Beautiful hair, of course. How do you like to learn all the Play-Dohs? You'll just have to learn about how to play Play-Doh. And you can also buy a party pack of these Play-Dohs. Or you can buy some toys like Starry Dolls, Tumble the Monkeys, and more Play-Dohs and you have to tumble in.
Ice in my
And
veins,
Oreo
I've been
can also
driving
buy
this
some
train
paper
for
dolls.
years in this lane,
So you
there's
can
no
create
stopping
them
this
or
flame,
cut
'cause I
them
came to
and
the
put them
game and I
dress.
changed
So
it
you
to
have
play
to
how
make
I
your
like,
doll
rearranged
ball
it to
like
my own
this.
domain. Yeah, I got
Look.
what it takes,
See?
made lots of
Suppose
mistakes,
this
taking
is her
shots,
hair.
skipping breaks,
This is
feeling
her
lost,
hair
feeling
ball.
great, popping
So
off,
you
singing
just
straight,
have
never
to make
stop,
a
never
new
change, all
hairstyle
squad,
for
you
her.
play, and I've got something to say.
You have to just remember to my words, and you have to watch all my Play-Doh videos. So guys, how do you like it?
I won't stop till I make a
They're
change.
nice and
I
pretty.
withdraw on the things I
Mwah.
make.
Mwah. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye.
Built tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say